Hey guys, it's me, Clayton, the signage of production 2014, and once again, thunderstorms occurred. And this time, this one's called Storm Amy. Yeah, pretty dog outside. Yeah. Yeah, look at that mass wind. There's stuff flying all over the place. Oh, and also, I'm gonna show you guys something cool. Oh my god, it's really scary in the dark. Maybe it'll have to be another time where we have. Or maybe I can get it out of my phone. Hold on, let me try that. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's glowing in the dark. Well, I don't think it is right now. Dang it. But, it sure looks like it's a very stormy night tonight, so stay safe, everybody. See you all in the next video. Bye.